1 second, some other people. Okay, no problem. All of you joined. Good. So rest of them, they did not. All the key people joined. Okay, good. So this one, now before we continue with the today's topic, let's take a quick, digression in terms of closing one action item from my side. Look here, this one, right? Yesterday, the last session, I just, in this measure, I just used active, one equal sign, I used it. Look here, when I used one equal sign, if you need to compare this value here. Okay, I just doing the count on the column active where the active is false. Okay, and in this case it was showing 5. It was showing something wrong. Here the 5, it tells us 1 2 3 4 5 blank values. Okay, so here if you watch here, when I type 2 equal sign, here it is doing perfect job. Okay, so you should be knowing the difference between single equal sign and double equal sign. Sometimes, even experienced developer, they might, due to oversight, they might type single equal sign and then they break their head. So the double equal sign is for comparing the operation, which means strictly equal to. What is the difference between single equal sign and double equal sign? The double equal sign is strictly equal to. Okay, and in the case of single equal sign, if you look at any programming language, we use a single equal sign for assignment purpose. In the case of Power Query Editor, when you go to the view, right? In the case of Power Query Editor, if you view the functions generated automatically or whatever the M language that you have written it, you can notice that on the left side of your statement, you can see the variable. And then followed by the variable, you have the equal sign, single equal sign. On the right side of the equation, you will have the expression. For example, expression is 2 plus 3. So once that expression get evaluated, 2 plus 3 is 5, that one will get assigned to your variable, it's x on the left side of your equal sign, right? So in the case of single equal sign, that tells us the assignment operator in general. And in this case, right, if you want to compare the value, you need to use double equal sign. This is, strictly equal to. Okay, and the single equal sign is usually we use it for the this one, the assignment operator. Okay, and sometimes in the case of if, right, to evaluate the Boolean expression, we use single equal sign. Okay, so but a single equal sign tells us it is not strictly equal to. Okay, if any one of them is true, then it is okay. For example, in this column active, here I have false, but it is not checking, it is not exactly matching with that false. Okay, there is, due to some reason, it is not matching it, hence it is it was not showing the proper value. Okay, and it considered this one as a false, right? It was not matching with this one. So in that case, that problem. But when you use double equal sign, you will get the proper value, and we will validate the same with the true condition also. And if you see here, when I press enter, how many trues are there here? 1 2 3. So 1 2 3, it's doing perfect job in both the cases, true or false. It is correctly computing the number of values, right? The number of false values, number of true values. In the case of false, it was displaying 1 here correctly. Fine, we will continue with the today's topic.